Twitter user reveals how only one person was at the cinema for Toyin's Abrams movie named Malaika. Twitter user known as Jugba recently shared an encounter involving a Nollywood actress and producer strongly speculated to be Toyin Abraham. According to Jugba, the actress had walked into a cinema lobby, asked who was there to watch her movie, and only one person stood up. She conveyed a message for attendees to maintain the same energy when considering taking pictures with her at events. The incident, which has shared on Twitter, had people strongly speculating that it was Toyin Abraham, as she was actively promoting her recent movie, Malaika. The sparse attendance led to reflection on her past political stance during the electoral process. Many in the comment section drew connections between her political choices and the apparent lack of audience from her film. However, some of the comments from moviegoers who were present in the cinema tackled this statement. They pointed out the fact that the movie ticket for Malaika was sold out, suggested that the statement was made on Twitter was a lie and could likely be propagated by people who had an agenda against her. Few hours ago, Toyin Abraham had taken to her Instagram to share that she had been able to realize over 104.3 million from her movie Malaika. This series an obvious contrast to this Twitter user who hinted at the fact that her movie ticket was not sold out. Toyin had taken to her social media to thank her fans and God for supporting her and streaming her movie. Thank you God and thank you Nigerians. Malaika, the movie still showing on all cinemas. Adding to the narrative, Kemi Filani reported an emotional encounter between a devoted fan and Toyin Abraham at the cinema just 3 days ago. The fan, unknowingly attending the cinema to watch the movie, found himself in tears as he hugged the actress, considering it the best day of his life. Some days back, Kemi Filani had given a review of the movie, Malaika, expressing that it was a movie about the loneliness that comes with childhoodness as well as the joy of motherhood. It had been described as a spiritual odyssey. The film boasts a stellar cast, including renowned Nollywood actresses, comedians, and media personalities such as Odunlade Adekola, Emeka Ike, Kate Ife, Ruby Ojiako, and among others. Stay tuned for more insights on our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up like, share it with your friends, and comment down below with your thoughts for more entertaining insights and exclusive stories. Make sure to subscribe to Summary Crown TV. Until next time, stay fabulous, cool, calm, to catch up on the latest updates about entertainment news and celebrity gist. Stay tuned.